I want to know how many calories is in one drop. I just want to know the calories, because they taste like candy, but they're cough drops. Yes I do. Alright. 423-00-06411. Yeah. I'm finding out how many calories this is. I might hold again.
Oh God. Guess what I'm listening to? Wait, where's my iPod?
These things are good.
They taste like fucking God.
These are fucking God.
Fucking God.
They got a nice little saxophone, like.
That's sexy.
This is baby making music right here. Hey, this is clearing up my headache. One more.
I mean, like the cough drop, the candy cough drop.
Candy.
Mikey, tell the camera what it clears up.
This cleared up my headache. You know, there is a midget inside of my head just kicking the shit out my brain.
It's cool.
Narcotic is 15.5 draft.
Alright, thank you. That's all I want to know. Alright. Alright, you too. 15.5 calories.
15.5 calories and a cost